How are you? I am Sam Khan from Technical Sam Khan, and today I'm back with another video. In this video I will show you how to upload files to your Google Drive. So some people think it's a great work, it's a difficult work. So today I'm gonna show you a simple tips to upload your files to Google Drive on Android or desktop. So first of all, go to your Google Drive, open it, and now it's here a plus option, it's side here a plus option, click on it. Now here is a much option, create new folder, upload, scan, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. Now click on second option, upload. So click on it. So now if you upload images, videos, audio, download sound, etc. So now if you upload your files or anything, just I uploaded this. Now it's preparing one file. Okay, now it's a file. Now click on it. So it's a easy tip, so you can upload anything. Right now I'm uploading a picture. Let's see. Now I uploaded these pictures. Okay, let's see. Now it's upload. Now click on your account. It's waiting for network. Go to home screen, click on three dots. It's upload, you can see. So it's easy tips you can apply. So thank you.